Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. In this video we will look at the different stages of the water cycle. Energy from the sun heats up the surface of Earth, causing the temperature of oceans, rivers and lakes to rise. When this happens, some of the water evaporates into the air. This mist of tiny droplets is called vapour. As the vapour rises into the sky, it cools down and turns back into a liquid, forming a cloud. This is called condensation. When too much water has condensed, the water droplets become heavy and fall back down to earth as rain, snow, sleet or hail. This is called precipitation. When water from precipitation lands directly onto the land, the water can travel across the land, collecting in rivers and streams. This is known as surface runoff. Finally, the water will collect in oceans, rivers and lakes, ready for the water cycle to begin all over again. Let's label this diagram showing the stages of the water cycle. Firstly, energy from the sun heats up the surface of the earth, causing some water to evaporate upwards. As the vapour rises, it cools down, forming a cloud. This process is known as condensation. When the water droplets become heavy, they fall back down to earth. This is called precipitation. The water travels across the land in streams and rivers, known as surface runoff. Finally, the water collects in the seas, oceans and lakes, ready for the water cycle to begin all over again. For your hands-on activity, create a model to show the different stages of the water cycle, including condensation and precipitation. You can also label your own diagram of the water cycle. For more information about activities related to water, please go to handsoneducation.com. Wonderful Water. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!